Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in a 5-round competition to see who can be victorious. We've got a northeast wind today and an outgoing tide, which should make for some interesting conditions for our captains. But let's go ahead and get this battle started and we'll step into the first round. Here we're going to see a pursuit making its way into Haulover Inlet. This crew looks like they're doing alright. They're running a little bit up on plane and the boat looks good. Until now, Haulover throws a sucker punch. You never know what you're going to get, especially when you're coming in with a heavy following sea like this. Man, the bottom can just drop right out from underneath the boat, and these guys get soaked. This boat will continue to make their way into Haulover Inlet, but Haulover with that sucker punch, I'm going to have to go ahead and give this round to Haulover, even though the rest of the way in it looks like they'll be smooth sailing. And that'll send us into the second round where the boats will be coming in looking for redemption. And here we've got a Midnight Express making its way out of Haulover. But this is typically not good. He's taking the slow roll approach and it even appears he's playing with his phone and not paying attention to what's going on. When we see a vessel like this come out this slow, usually that doesn't fare well for the boats. This boat wants to run. It likes to be up on plane, and that's when it's at its best. At this slow pace, basically it's at the mercy of Haulover. And here we can see Cap's actually back behind the helm, paying attention and handling the controls. Let's see if he goes ahead and throws that throttle down, but it's too late! Too late! They stuffed the bow, and man, he stuffed it solid here too. This is a big boat. This boat, you've got to let it get up on plane and do the work. Unfortunately, in this situation, the boats are going to take a loss here as well as they stuff the bow. And that's going to put the boats down 2-0 early. They've got to make a comeback as we step into the third round. And here we go. In the third round, we've got a Sea Fox 328 making its way into Haulover. Now, this boat looks good. He's up on plane, he actually has those throttles down. He's actually probably coming in a little bit hotter than I would normally try and come in, but the boat seems to be handling it great. Here we can see my man's making it in, and he looks like he's going to have no issues. It should take an easy win for the boats here in the third round, which will start to get the boats back into this competition. And let's go ahead and move into the fourth round where our competitor is ready to step in the ring and do battle with Haulover. And in this round, we're going to feature a HYDRA-SPORTS. Here this vessel's starting to make its way out of Haulover. And these guys are riding extremely bow high. They're really taking it cautious as they make their way out of the inlet, hoping to do everything they can to not let this boat stuff. And it looks like riding at this kind of attitude, they're going to have no issue with that. In fact, they might even be just a little over trimmed. A little down trim and a little trim tab would probably smooth this ride out for them a little bit, but they're not going to have any issues, especially on a rough day like today, making it out of Haulover. And I can't really fault them too much, and we'll go ahead and give this round to the boats. And that's going to bring us to a 2-2 tie after 4 rounds. And that's going to leave it up to our 5th and final round to see who will be victorious on this day. And our 5th round competitor stepping into the ring is going to be a Sea Hunt. And it looks like the boys are out trying to have a good time. This crew's slowly making their way out of Haulover. They're just taking it easy and really don't appear to be in any rush to get anywhere, but probably with good reason. This vessel is a little small for the conditions we're seeing today, which means if they were up on plane and running hard, this boat would probably be taking an absolute pounding. Now, I do feel they could have a little more throttle behind this, but overall, I can't say much. So far, they're making it out of Haulover without issue, and it looks like they're gonna probably take a win for the boats, and that's gonna give the boats a win in this episode. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Wait, hold on, we're not done yet. Oh no! They're going to go ahead and pull that patented Haulover U-turn and bring it back in and actually take a loss for the boats in this round. And that's going to give Haulover the win in this episode. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens to the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.